Hi friends. Welcome back to yet another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix. There were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later in Windows 10. Click on the Start menu, and then click on Settings. Inside Settings, click on Update and Security. Click on Troubleshoot from the left panel of the Settings app. At the right-hand side, click on Additional Troubleshooters. On this next page, click on Windows Update. Now, click Run the Troubleshooter. If the troubleshooter identifies an issue, it will automatically detect and rectify it. Now click on the Close button. Restart your computer. To start System File Checker tool, go to Start and type Command Prompt in the search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Type sfc/scan now in Command Prompt, and then press Enter. Don't close this Command Prompt windows until the verification is 100% completed. After the process is finished, you may receive one of the following messages. If you found this message, Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. This means that you do not have any missing or corrupted system files. In case, if you found this message, Windows Resource Protection could not perform the requested operation. To resolve this problem, I have a detailed video related to this topic. Link is given in this video description. Go to the search bar. Inside search bar, type Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt at the top of the result. Click on Run as Administrator. Inside Command Prompt, type the following lines of command. Type the following command to perform a quick health check. DISM/online/cleanupimage/check health. These commands are given in the description box of this video. Press Enter. Type the following command to perform an advanced DISM scan. DISM/online/cleanupimage/scan health. And press Enter. Remember, this process may take anywhere from 5 minutes to 20 minutes to finish. Be patient. Type the following command to repair the Windows 10 image. DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Now again press enter. Remember, this process may take anywhere from several minutes to few hours to finish. Be patient. After completing all the operations successfully, restart your computer in order to check if it fixes the issue.
Please subscribe this channel, like and share this video.